In video M001 we worked at finding factors of numbers, that is, finding smaller numbers by which we can divide our larger numbers. We looked at 12 and found that we have factors of 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. If you're happy with how that works, you're ready to hear about the HCF, which of course is super secret maths talk for the highest common factor. We love a good acronym. Highest, of course, means the biggest number. Common means something that's shared. If we have something in common, we have a shared quality, and now you know what a factor is as well. But how do we find it? Well, we've already found the factors of 12, and assuming you watched the last video, we've already also found the factors of 8. 1, 8, 2, and 4. To find the HCF of 12 and 8 then, I simply look at the two lists of factors and find the biggest number that's in both lists. The biggest number that is common between them. Ah! I have found it! The HCF of 12 and 8 is 4. Have a go with these. The first one has the list of factors ready-made for you, so you just have to spot the highest common one. The other two will require you finding the factors first, so these might take you a little longer. Remember, if you need to, you can draw yourself out some diagrams like we did with Gizmo last time in order to do this. Pause the video, and when you've found your answer, watch again to check whether you were right. For question A, the highest common factor of 10 and 16 is 2. None of the other higher factors are shared in both lists, so 2 is the highest one. For B, the factors of 12 are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3 and 4, while the factors of 18 are 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. The biggest number in both lists then is 6, so the highest common factor is 6. The final question looked for factors of 24, which are 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. And the factors of 36 are 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9 and 6. 36 being a square number, so 6 times 6 gives you that. The biggest number in both lists is 12. The highest common factor is 12. Often you'll find that HCF questions are hidden in great big wordy sentences, but we'll look a bit more at that in the future. For now though, if you've mastered that skill, I'd recommend you start looking at prime numbers. That will give you the knowledge you need to find the HCF, the highest common factor, for some really, really big numbers.